Hey guys, wanna find your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive just using your phone? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin, guys. First off, open Google Drive on your device, either through app version or maybe using the website version, but anyways, for the sake of the tutorial, I will use the app. So now, when inside, make sure you are logged in into the correct Google account. And when you made sure, you can pretty much tap on the search field at the top and search for WhatsApp. Now, just find the WhatsApp backup or the exported chat you want to see and just give it a tap. So now, you will not be able to view it yet because it is a zip archive, so you will have to download it. So to actually download this file, just click on the three dots at the top right. This will bring up a pop-up menu, and when there, just click on the download option. Now this will bring up the next pop-up menu. Just swipe up for a better view, and now just choose the Save to Files option. Now choose a folder on your device to which you want to save this archive and simply click Save at the top right. So now you can pretty much exit the Google Drive, open the Files app of your device, and now look for the zip archive you just downloaded and just give it a tap. Now you can enter it, and here you will see the chat. This is the saved backed up chat from your WhatsApp. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.